Good morning everyone. Today my mama and I are gonna go out for a day out. Like a mama and daughter day. She's already in the car. Maria, say hello.
Hello. Sao biết sao?
Nila luo kaka'a. Arrived at Huntington. Hang on. Just gotta get this lady's hand and cross the road. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go and look around at Big W, nosy around. Okay, let's go.
Soaking up all of it now. Hey, hey, listen to what I say. Let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, hey, listen to what I say. Let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. I can't fight this feeling when you give me those eyes, yeah, baby.
So yeah, fine. Bang cool there. Nice. Up to 80% off even. Oh, cao cá mắt mặt à. Sao? Sao rồi vậy bê vậy xe ofu mà ngày kia ofu ấy. Ai mà phang ngày ofu ya. Sao? Yeah, kan so ofu. So ofu kia ofu ấy. Right, quay ngã ofu ya, cái phía phải cầu mồ ơi. Sau đó sama. Ya. Ada babe mai dia lah ko ni sama ah. Dia ko amak lu benca ai amai dah ko ni. Dia fa dia boleh ofu dia hang. Kasi ofu kemana wai? Ha? Gonna go and Big W now. My daughter bought some school pants, and look what she got. Oh yes, she got herself a jacket. Even though she's got one, but she needs a vest. Okay, get extra small for my baby. No. Isso é o for Geneva Montreal. Sabe? Hã? Okay guys, we're gonna go done our shopping, look at all our bags. Only 2 bags. Now we're gonna go and have something to eat down at this place over there called Pho. Okay guys, go. I love coming here for my ham and my slices of chicken. So this is the place here guys. So we're just gonna go and have something to eat. So this is where we are right now. Now we're going to look through the menu, see all this yummy food. So guys, if you guys want anything, come down to the marketplace. But in the meantime, I'm going to ask my mum what does she want to eat. Oh, I think she told me she wanted soup. She doesn't eat pork, so maybe I'll get her a couple of pork chops or something, yeah? Maria, how many of us pork chops? Oui. Oh yeah, soup. Đừng ngon nha pork chops. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Say so some yeah, ai. Cheers. Yeah, mga yan. Nice. May siya. With PI. With PI. Huh? My mum's already got her food and away she goes. So at lunch she wanted fish and chips. So I got the chicken wing as well, just to add into the food. She didn't want anything else but fish and chips. And I got me chicken curry and you eat it with these nice crunchy rolls. Oh, crispy. Okay guys, well, we're gonna eat now. Okay? Okay. Try to go as far back as you can. These are crispy. Can you hear the crunch? I'm dipping it into the curry. Okay. There you got it. I would love to make curry like this. And it's a big bowl, so don't know if I can finish this. Oh, so lovely. So hot, so lovely. So lovely, guys. You can taste the coriander and everything. Don't know how to make it, but it's very tasty. I can dip it in. Let me try these chicken wings. Look.
Capsicum. Right. So lovely. Can you smell it? Lovely. And if you dip it into the soup, this curry broth, you can feel the bread like expanding. See how it's skinny and then it chubbier down here? Because it's sucked up all the curry. They sucked it up. That man wants this curry spicy. I'm thinking. Gotta have another wing. Is this how you do it? Pull it out. And then pull out the other one. And then you're left with just that. And then, get some sauce. Then you bite. Some people prefer this, but I like the flats. I am a flat girl. Not flat up here. Just check. Go ahead, take a bite. Finger licking good. You know guys, I don't think I can finish this here, but I can finish it off at home. Here's the next thing. Where am I? Yeah. Say bye. 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 She finished way before me. Now she's sitting there just staring outside at all the people out there. I love coming to this place, guys. Yeah. And if you come to Plumpton Marketplace, you stop by into Foes and get you some of this beautiful chicken curry, guys. You won't be disappointed. It's very, very beautiful. Even those chicken wings, nice and saucy, big saucy, but you gotta have some wipes because, you know, doing your hands and your lips sweet. Okay. then meet again another time. Okay? Paso Fua, sorry it's a bit dark because it's gonna share a romantic, theme sort of thingy, majiggy. Okay. See you guys later. Talk Paso Fua. Great Samoa, guys. Samoa. 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 I love this curry, guys. I think I will reach the Paso. I'm talking.